Now, what about a wireless interface or wireless connection on Ubuntu server? Again, not very common, but you need to be familiar with it so that you're well-rounded and you're able to troubleshoot any system whatsoever. We'll be opening up the interfaces file yet again, etc., network, and then interfaces is the file. And I will be creating a separate adapter here. So wireless adapter. I'm just putting a comment in there so that I know what this is. And we'll do auto WLAN 0 interface WLAN 0, and then here is where you will specify with iNet either DHCP or static. Now let me go ahead and do static, and I will specify the address as I have done up above here. And so none of this is new. This is all what we've already covered. And put in our gateway here, 10.0.0.1. Here's where wireless is different. You have to specify the SSID, the wireless network name. We'll do WPA SSID, and then the name of the network, okay? In my case, my network is named Miller's, and then we'll put in WPA PSK with our password, okay? My password here. Okay, this is how you would specify a wireless adapter, understanding that you could also use DHCP and get rid of all of this, which we've already learned how to specify with ETH0. But you're specifying the network, the wireless network you'd like to connect to here with WPA SSID, and then the passphrase, passkey, password for that network. Now we can write out these changes here. And we specified that WLAN 0 would be automatic. It's not present. So if we do sudo if up WLAN 0, you'll find that it can't bring WLAN 0 up because there's no hardware for it. Okay, that's just a limitation of my configuration. I don't have a wireless adapter connected to this virtual machine, and so we don't have one. But it's specified as auto. If we look back here at our interfaces file, you can see we specified it as auto so that it should come up. It should be brought up as an interface automatically. Of course, that assumes you have the hardware for it. And then, assuming everything goes well there, you should have a working wireless network. Again, you can specify DHCP or static. It's pretty easy, pretty basic, right? WPA SSID specifies the wireless network name. WPA PSK is going to specify your passphrase. Now, this is going to be for all modern Wi-Fi networks. If you have an older network, there can be some differences there in the interfaces file. I won't bring those up because with modern wireless networks, this is going to work the vast majority of the time. It's when you're working or dealing with older networks, sometimes things get a little trickier, and that's the beauty of this course. If you're having an issue with this, post a discussion here or send me a private message. I'd be more than happy to help you with your particular wireless configuration if you're struggling or you have an older router, an older wireless network set up.